This is how you make Cosmopolitan.
Unang-una, 60 ml of vodka. Ayan. 30 ml of triple sec. $30 ml of fresh lime juice. Yan, guys. And then, 30 ml of cranberry juice. Yan, lagyan natin ng ice. Wait lang natin for 10 to 12 seconds. So, i-strain natin siya. So, after natin strain, guys.
So, squeeze lang natin yung balat ng lemon sa cocktail.
So, ang gagarnish natin is balat ng lemon.